GPT 4.1. Not just to cut cost, but to redefine practical AI performance. GPT 4.1 introduced cheaper pricing, but more importantly, flexible modular performance through mini and nano variant. It's not just an update. It's a repositioning. GPT 4.1 scores 54.6% on SWE bench verified, producing cleaner, reliable and test pass code. Difference GPT 4.1 can handle a mind-blowing 1 million tokens, making it perfect for long-form reasoning and memory-based application. GPT 4.1 leads the pack in multimodal outputs, making it perfect for image-text hybrid application. GPT 4.1 follows instructions with up to 20% better accuracy even for complex multi-step prompt. Happy morning, dear friends. Here's yours, Dr. Ajanta. Welcome to Demystify with Ajay. Dear friends, what if I told you that OpenAI just pulled off something bold, retiring GPT 4.5 and bringing in a new flagship model called GPT 4.1? Not just to cut cost, but to redefine practical AI performance. There's a lot more to this shift than meets the eye. We are breaking it all down one insight at a time. Let's demystify GPT 4.1. Difference on 14th April 2025. Sam Altman tweeted it loud and clear. GPT 4.1 and Mini and Nano are now available in this API. Difference GPT 4.1 can handle a mind-blowing 1 million tokens, making it perfect for long-form reasoning and memory-based application. Yes, dear friends, whether you are feeding it entire research paper, or customer's conversation, or product documentation, GPT 4.1 does not just read, it retains and reasons across vast span of context. It excels in evaluations like OpenAI MRCR, proving its spawners in complex multi-turn interactions, making it an ideal brain for chatbots, agents, and AI teammates. GPT 4.1 scores 54.6% on SWE bench verified, producing cleaner, reliable, and test pass code. Yes, dear friends, that's a major jump from GPT-4's that is 33.2%, and it's not just number. It's about cleaner output, smarter bug fixes, and less need for human editing. Whether you are building APIs or debugging software or automating test script, GPT 4.1 acts like a focused, obedient junior developer that delivers on time and with clarity. GPT 4.1 follows instructions with up to 20% better accuracy even for complex multi-step prompt. Yes, dear friends, in evaluations like IF eval and multi-challenge, GPT 4.1 outperforms its predecessors in formatting, tone control, and behavior alignment. You ask it to give you a markdown in a table format? Done. Need a summary with bulletin points in a specific tone? Done and done. It's responsive, disciplined, and dramatically more predictable. GPT 4.1 leads the pack in multimodal outputs, making it perfect for image-text hybrid application. Yes, dear friends, whether you are generating alt text or analyzing graphs or combining chart with narrative reports, GPT 4.1 doesn't miss a beat. It positions itself as the top model for multimodal reasoning, a huge leap forward for accessibility tech, educational tools, and visual data interpretation. GPT 4.1 introduced cheaper pricing, but more importantly, flexible modular performance through mini and nano variant. Yes, dear friends, here's the pricing breakdown. Yes, GPT 4.1 has $2 per million input tokens, $8 per million output tokens, and $0.5 for catch read. But the twist, OpenAI didn't just lower the price, they restructured the offering. You now get GPT 4.1 in standard, mini, and nano, tailored to different use cases. Whether you are deploying a lightweight bot or a full-scale AI engine, that's a model size and price point for you. GPT 4.1 is API only, emphasizing real-world integration over casual chat use. As Sam Altman announced, GPT 4.1 is not in ChatGPT Plus, it's API exclusive. This move clearly targets developers, startups, and enterprises, encouraging people to build tools, not just chat with them. So, dear friends, is ChatGPT 4.1 a cost-cutting downgrade? Absolutely not. It's a streamlined, performance-oriented, developer-ready evaluation of the GPT line, built to deliver smarter AI in the real world, from 1 million token context to cleaner code to multimodal power to smart pricing tiers. GPT 4.1 is designed to scale practically. It's not just an update. It's a repositioning. And this is Dr. Ajanta, and you have been watching Demystify with Ajay. Until next time, decode the world. Happy learning, dear friends.